Hey guys, it's Davita here with WTI, and this is my everyday go-to black baseball cap. This is the cotton baseball cap by KBETHOS. I love this baseball cap because I have used this all the time. I travel with it because it's so lightweight and it provides really good protection from the sun. So I live in a place where the elevation is really high, the sun is extremely strong. So I do try to have my skin, my face covered as much as possible, and this has really helped me to do that. I do like that it's really comfortable to wear. It's cute, at least for me, and it's super versatile. So I know this is a unisex baseball cap, and it's great because on the back you can adjust it to fit to your head. It also has a place where you can store the little buckle so that little strap is not sticking out. I have thrown this in the washer many times. I like to air dry it and it keeps my baseball cap feeling fresh. So if you're looking for a really great baseball cap that you will probably use for years, then definitely check out this one. And that's my point of view.